Many people who do not know the ants will die in a matter of seconds by spraying the item. In front of us, friends, there is a view that sometimes makes us annoyed, my friend, because there are many ants in our house. Things like this often happen when making things that ants like carelessly, so that in a few seconds the ants will gather to approach the object, friends, and of course this is a lot. Especially you, if there are children in the house, must be very dangerous for them, because he can bite and make the skin of children become sick and reddish. In this video I will share how to eradicate it using materials that are very easy and materials that are easy. Once we get it, our homes will automatically avoid all types of ants and other insects. First you can prepare the container. At this time I use the container using used bottles with small sizes only. Then here we will prepare the materials that we will use and we get it easily. As ingredients here I will use laundry washing powder and kitchen salt that we will mix with water. Enter the salt into the used bottle that has been provided with the size in the container. Then put the laundry powder into the same container to taste, and this time the laundry powder is more than kitchen salt. After entering the kitchen salt and laundry powder in the bottle used to drink the water, enter the size of the water fit in the spray bottle that we have provided. After adding salt, washing powder and water, now we will stir it so that all the ingredients can be mixed well with the water. After everything is well mixed, our task now is to put the material into a spray bottle that we will use to spray all the ants or insects in our house. When we will enter the material into the spray bottle, do not forget to put the funnel so that the material that has been mixed is not spilled. Enter slowly. After the material has been inserted, close the spray bottle so that it does not spill when we spray it later. Well, the material is all ready, so now we will prove by spraying the material to all places visited by ants. By spraying the material that we have prepared earlier, just a few seconds the ants will immediately die by themselves. The ant is very sick when bitten, especially if there is a child who is underage. He will definitely cry in pain and his skin will be reddish. Now you can see for yourself. This liquid is really very powerful, so we no longer need to waste money to buy drugs to kill ants or insects at home. By saving enough money we provide materials that are very easy to find in our homes. In addition to the ant house, there are also many trees that will interfere with growth. Keep in mind, for newly growing trees and trees that do not have hard trunks, you should not spray them because the tree may die. The liquid can also be used on other insects that bother us so much. Hopefully this method is very useful for viewers. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in this video please subscribe, like, and share to get other tutorials.